Yeah, welcome to today's demo. Today we are discussing the demo session on Python. Okay, so I have already given one demo previously for my previous batch. So, however, that batch is completely, I mean to say, that batch is Python, core Python plus, Python for DevOps and cloud automation. So, since anyway that batch is running, so this batch first I will explain again the what all the core Python concepts and all these things, and then core specific details I will share in this demo. Now the same point I am emphasizing again, like how the way to master the Python within these 10 steps. This is the 10 pointer formula which I have identified for my both my teaching and my learning purpose. So with these 10 steps you will be able to, I mean to say, master Python, not just get on and all. Okay, now, so what are those 10 pointer formula, and also what are the benefits that you get from joining this course. I think I have to. Okay, okay, so now these are the 10 steps which I am going to first present for the things, and then you will be, yeah, what are the benefits that you will be getting, and I mean how the course and payment, all these things. So now let us see what are those 10 steps. So as I said, so since this is I mean to say, completely we are starting from basics, right? So therefore, we should know first Python is a high level programming language. So high level program, that is the simple way, to clear out any other thoughts in our thing. So what is high level language? High level language means machine cannot understand. Machine will understand only ones and zeros, right? Machine code, byte code. But high level language is something which an inter thing, I mean to say, something yeah. So it is close to users, which is understandable by users. The way the, I mean to say, and another point, so Python is a high level language, high level programming language, which means it can be easily understandable by the user, not machine level language. So, and another thing is Python, even though it uh, like I mean to say, it is actually older than even Java. Java came in 1995 around. Like Python was existing even before, like 1989. But Python is currently very popular and all these things. So so anyway, this batch is completely for core Python. So I'm just stressing the like for example Python, Java, Scala, Unix, whereas programming languages are there. But if you have already in your field Python is being used, then better to prefer Python than other programming language. That is my point. I mean these are not 10 pointers. I will come back. So that is the thing. Now another point which is important to know, uh, yeah, so yeah, so now let us see what are the 10 pointers. First thing, since Python is a high level programming language, so what does it mean? So any programming language, okay, will you need to understand the language fundamentals. So that is the first point, that is I wanted to, language fundamentals. only when foundation is strong, then you can build 10 stories, 20 stories of building. Like if the foundation is shaking, then obviously higher levels we will not be able to understand. So that is why language fundamentals is the first point in my 10 pointer formula to master Python. So now what are these language fundamentals? Okay, language fundamentals, uh, first thing comes variables, data types, right? But see, in Python, I mean in C, in Java, all these things we have data types, but in Python you have some iterable data types like lists and dictionaries and sets, tuples, all these things are there. So language fundamentals include, okay, variables, data types, next and sorry, looping control statements, or like a continue, break, all these things, and looping statements and conditional statements, if else, all the if else, actually if else, for loop, continue, break, these things are called control statements. Now for loop, these are looping statements, and if else, all these things are conditional statements. And apart from these uh, functions, all these things form the, I mean, language fundamentals. And mainly methods, like functions are different, like for example print, input, those things are functions, but methods are specific to a particular data type. Okay, like here you are learning data types. Okay, for example, a equal to in a equal to, you are storing Subhash. Now a dot append, you are appending something, let us say Chandra. So like that, this append is called the method. This is not function. So like that, there are various methods are there, which the in my previous batch I covered all the methods for each and every data type. For string there are various methods, for list there are various methods, for or okay, for tuple there are various methods, for sets there are various methods. So all these methods, so that's it, these things will form the language fundamentals. Okay, and some features of Python, some important features are there. Okay, which not there in the, let me 1 minute. Okay, fine, no problem. So which are okay, so there are certain features of Python, like for example dynamic typing. Okay, that is not there in other programming languages. In other programming languages you have to do int a, then a equal to 5, then only compiler will understand this 5 is an integer. But in Python it is not like that. Python you can just say a equal to 5, like it will take that a as integer. Why? Because of dynamic typing feature. Like dynamically it will understand the data type, it will consider the data type based on the input that you are giving. If you give, like for example here a equal to Subhash, it will take a is a string. Okay, now these are so dynamic typing, like that there are some features of Python which you need to know. These things will form the language fundamentals. So if you know, at least like even in your real time and all these things, you will be able to understand the code, all these things easily. I mean to say, at least to a good degree, not completely, because there are, for to complete understanding there are some more things. Now second point which I want to do is special features of Python. there are certain special features which are there in Python, which other programming languages don't have. Okay, like for example typecasting, type conversion, okay, and doc strings, okay, and Python comprehension, Python unpacking, okay, and like that there are various concepts are there. uh, uh, all these things are there. So all these special features will be covered as the second point. These things are important because inline functions, lambda, so all these things will make your coding easy, not difficult. So this is the second pointer. Now third pointer is the OOPS concepts. I mean, in my previous demo I have given a different order, but that is fine. OOPS concepts. OOPS concepts are important because what is class, what is object, what is inheritance, polymorphism, what is encapsulation, what is all those four pillars, and what is constructor, what is destructor. So OOPS concepts is the third point in my 10 pointer formula. So if you can complete these 3 points, okay, then even if the code is given to you, you will be able to, writing and all comes only by practice. See, any programming language requires practice. I mean to say, the more you practice, the more errors, debugging, and all these things. Okay, now fourth point will be specific to the course. For example, in my previous batch, like Python for DevOps and cloud automation. Okay, now before coming to fourth point, you need to understand this. Python is used for various ways. It has a large ecosystem of libraries. Okay, like for example, if you want web development, then you need to choose Flask and Django, those variables. If you are choosing automation, then Boto 3, okay, those are the libraries. And if you are choosing artificial intelligence, machine learning, then scikit-learn, though TensorFlow, those are the libraries. If you are choosing data science, okay, then you need to Matplotlib and pandas, these libraries. You need to master the libraries. So my fourth point will be now I will be a little away, I will keep the Python little away. Okay, I will proceed with your specific course. Like if you are choosing Python for data science or Python for AI and ML, so this course, as I heard the requirement, I would suggest to go for Python for AI, artificial intelligence and machine learning. Okay, that is my suggestion. Later we can change this, not a problem. Python for data science also we can proceed, or Python for so various things are there. Okay, so because I actually, one more point I missed in my introduction, I am doing MTech in BITS Pilani. The specific course is the artificial intelligence and machine learning only, AI and ML. So currently first semester, I enrolled this year only. So I am to a good degree I learned. Still the core, MTech, my MTech is going on. So I will be covering the AI ML concepts, in the sense yeah. So for example, there are various things actually, supervised learning, unsupervised learning, those kinds of concepts are important, concepts are there. And if you are building some AI agent and all these things, you need to what you need to know, there are certain DSA algorithms. We don't call, just a second, like we don't call DSA algorithms, okay, because DSA is a different topic altogether, data structures and algorithms. Here there are certain algorithms are there, okay, heap, I mean to say all those things, and some heuristic function is there, heuristic functions, those algorithms are so classified into two types, like informed, uninformed, okay, in informed, uninformed, it will not have that intelligence, in the sense, like for example breadth first, okay, depth first, like that you are already giving, okay. For this I will quickly explain. Let us take, you will be having some maze, right? Like I will explain just some sample thing, because you know maze, okay. So in informed, sorry, uninformed, let us say, so it doesn't have that intelligence, okay. Like for example, if you give like a starting point, this is ending point, so uninformed is what, like breadth first, so as soon as it comes, it will it will go till the end of this place, and it will be breadth first, right? So it will not go, I mean to say, it will go here, and it will, from there again, what is the breadth first, like that it will apply that algorithm blindly, so it might take a long time. But there is like informed means, along with this thing, you will be adding the heuristic function. So as soon as it hit, it will apply the heuristic function, what is the shortest path from this point to this point. Just think like it will be like uninformed means it is something like it is hitting the walls here, here, here with some algorithm, struggling to, it doesn't have that clear path. It will apply the algorithm, but it doesn't have full intelligence. Now heuristic function is something like it will help, as soon as it comes, it will find the shortest path between this one and this one, and it will quickly it will find out and come out. So this is one sample A and ML problem which you need to resolve that problem. So if it is this thing, then these concepts, then how the Python is, fifth pointer will be, like that specific library, like for example, if it is AML, like TensorFlow, I will show those thing also. I need to change this pen probably.
Suhash,
Mm.
no worries. So you are covering the topics, that's fine,
Mm.
like AI, ML, and everything.
Mm.
But the thing is, I am specifically looking for my project help. So is it possible for you?
Yes, yes. Yeah, 1 minute. Yes, it is possible for your project assignment also. Nothing to worry. So like that for okay. Yeah, I will come back to your question in a moment. AIML for ML, like scikit-learn, all these libraries, and TensorFlow, those libraries. Okay. Um okay, so specific libraries, that is for your course, specific libraries and libraries. Now sixth pointer will be problems, like sample programs, all these things, uh, programs, sample programs. And seventh pointer will be a mini project, okay, like that, mini project. Okay, still we have 3 more points, so you can refer my demo video in my yeah, please, can you please go on mute? I am completing, I am almost the thing. So I mean, the point I am trying to say, already I have given demo in, it is there in my YouTube channel, that is for I mean to say, actually for web development I have given that demo, like a Flask, Django, those kind of things. So this is how within 10 pointer course will be completed. Okay, okay, now uh, I am coming to your question only. So in this you have any doubts, like in the course structure, I mean the course curriculum and all?
No, I will go through the video once.
Okay, okay. Now, and few more things I will let me complete. So like another thing is like I am, you will get notification because see, I am starting I mean it is completely self-employment, right? So you, so if some other courses are happening, or like for example some AWS course is happening, and or like MDM is or some other topics, you will be notified to your you will be notified in your WhatsApp from us, like so and so class is happening so and so time, so you can join that one also without any payment. That is one thing. And for once you register the for any of these courses, actually these things you have not seen. So that these were our initial things, these are all the various courses that I am doing. So I am teaching. So 22 sessions I will complete the entire course. Your specific assignment I am coming, just allow me half, I mean few minutes. So within 22 sessions I will complete the entire course, and each session will be 1 hour 15 minutes. 1 hour 15 minutes. So course duration, I mean to say, obviously it will be 28 hours. If you multiply 27 and half something, it will come. So 28 hours course duration, and number of months and all, I will try to complete by November end. Before November end I will be able to complete. Okay, I am sure about it. So depends on your free time and all these things. Okay, now sorry, just a few more points, I will come to personal discussion. So if you register, actually we will, your registration ID you will get like this, like for example first three things will be your course and all, and this is for example my yours like Akanksha Kriti, so AK, like that it will come, like Suvash Vidapanakal, so SV. So I mean your first AK, these two things are, this is batch number. Okay, this is batch number 001, 002, 003, like that. This is the date of registration. If you are registering on 30th June, it will be 3006. If you are registering today, it will be 10 October, sorry 15 October means 1510, 1510, like that it will come. Now why I am saying this registration ID, like that is for, this will be for your rest of your thing, whenever you are like contacting, I mean to say, to Chekora Hub, like ours thing. So you, with this registration ID you can get the details, you can inquire, you can because we are building systems right now, like I mean to say, if the registration ID is not there, then like I may allow, like I may give concession and all these things, but system is not, system may not allow all these things. So that is the thing. And for first batches and all these things I have given around 50% discount actually, but Python first batch already, I mean to say, this is one, I mean already over. So now if you are joining any other course in this, you will get concession, MDM, like advanced PL SQL, Oracle, if you HTML, if you join these courses you will get concession, 50% discount. but for Python there is no discount. Now yeah, that's all from my side. Yeah, let me know. Now coming to your thing, your specific assignment, it will not be a problem or doesn't even matter. So actually, okay, let's not specify the organization name, since I also worked in the same organization, so I know the things. So but yeah, uh, yeah, so assignment and all, it will be, I can assist, that is not at all a problem. Okay, I mean assignment, it will be like commitment is something like how much time it will be, like let us say if you are doing some project and all, and with the coming LLM, if with the coming with the current LLM thing and all, so I don't think it will be difficult. But from my side, yes, your assignment related things and project related things, also help will be provided. Okay, so that's all from my side. 5:34. Any more questions? Any more, Akanksha?
It's required. Can we connect one to one also or not? Like,
Mm. Okay, okay, one to one also we can connect, not a problem. So now we are almost automating, so like let me share those things also. Now like probably in a week or so, or not a week, you will get that kind of thing. Probably may not be mobile app, but in website something, like my availability timings are, let us say, 10 to 7. So you will get that apart from this course, you yourself will get that kind of free slots which are available, in the sense, like for example 16th October, 3 to 5, 3 to 4 is free slot is there, 4 to 5 free slot is there. Like that you can just book, I will be notified, I will be yeah, that kind of thing we are bringing.
okay.
One to one only, that is one to one only, that kind of meeting things.
Okay. Got it.
mm. uh, any more questions?
Not much. I think I will let you know about the thing.
Mm.
Actually, my main preference is like courses. I will give 1 hour. That's not an issue. But my most of the problem is related to my project work. So I need basically help on that. Courses, like I don't have much time on that part. That's why.
Can you please come again?
So basically, my preference is my project work as of
mm.
now.
Mm-hmm.
Course like 1 hour I can provide easily if my work is getting done.
Okay.
So basically, I
Acha.
want help on my project thing. That's it.
Okay, okay.
So course is something like I can provide 1 hour and I can
Mm.
also practice. But
Okay.